Hi and welcome to Mataba TV. I am Makabongwe Mataba. The story that I have for you today is 16 April 2025. It's the arrest of Mchicha that happened in Midrand yesterday. Linda Hlongwa, also known as Mchicha or Putin, one of South Africa's most wanted suspects, was arrested in Midrand, Gauteng. He had been on the run since 2020 and he is linked to the recent double murder of his girlfriend and her mother in Pinetown. Hlongwa is also suspected extorting local businesses in Mariannhill. His arrest is seen as a major step in tackling organized crime and extorting in the region. Here's the video.
Hey, come down! Hey, come down, you fucking cunt! Down! Down! On the roof! On the roof! On the roof! There's no way. Open the fucking door! Open the door, you die! Your choice! Your choice! Your choice! I come trust the man!
Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again on the next story. Please don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to Mataba TV if you haven't subscribed. I'll see you again on the next story.